Hello children, I am Shakuntala teacher and today we are going to continue with the English writing lesson. Alright, as we have already finished writing Mama A and Baby A, today we are going to write Mama B and Baby B. So let's get our pointer fingers out. Yes. Alright, now place them in the air like this and come straight down. Okay, then go back up and from your left, one bumpety line round and another bumpety line to the bottom. Once again, from top, we come straight line, go up and from top again, we make a half circle or a bumpety to the middle of the standing line, and then from there we make another bumpety to the end of the standing line. Alright, so this is Mama B. Alright, now how do we write Baby B? So it is on the same lines. Okay, let's make a standing line in the air, come down and then go little up to the first view line like this and take a bumpety round to the bottom. Once again, we make a standing line in the air, go halfway up, make a bumpety round, come down to the bottom of the line, standing line. Now, let's see how we can write the same thing, Mama B and Baby B, in a plate of flour. Alright, so now we are going to begin with a pointer finger in this plate of flour. From top, we bring down one standing line. Alright, here we go. Our standing line is made. Lovely. Now we bring our pointer finger up and make a bumpety to the middle. Alright, we make a bumpety to the middle. As you can see here, this is the bumpety to the middle. After that, we make another bumpety to the end of the standing line here. Alright, let's see. This is your standing line. Hold on. This is your standing line. And we've made a bumpety round like this. And we've made another bumpety round like this. This is your Mama B. Alright. Let's see how we write our Baby B. So as we have done in the air, one standing line like this. Alright. Standing line like this. And then only one bumpety from the middle of the standing line. Okay. Downwards. Here you go. Okay. This is your bumpety. Right. This is your Baby B. So, we've gone down the straight line, one standing line, and from the middle of the standing line, we've made a bumpety over here. This is our Baby B. Let's practice the same thing, Mama B and Baby B, in this plate of broken wheat. Here we go, straight standing line downwards. Standing line downwards. From the top, make a bumpety round to the middle. Okay? Make a bumpety to the middle. Then take another bumpety round to the end of the standing line. That is your Mama B. One more time. Straight line down. Yes, standing line. Bumpety from the top to the middle. Yes. And then again, same hand, same finger, going round, no lifting the pencil. We can move our finger or the pencil, whatever we have, round again to the end of the standing line. Alright, so this is our mama bee. Let's see how we roll to the baby bee. So as we have written before, very simple to write baby bee. Again go from top down, straight line. Okay, we've gone straight line down, standing line. Then we come to the middle of the line and make one bumper T to the down portion of the line and meet the end of the standing line. One standing line from the middle around, bumper T goes here to the end. That is our baby bee. So my dear children, we have written bee in the air, we have written in the plate of wheat flour and also wheat grains, right? Today, now we are going to write on the board, which means you will write in your book, okay? 4-line book. So, the 4-line book has got red line, blue line, and again a red line. So, we are going to begin from the red line. Top, come down straight to the second blue line. Go again on the red line. Make a round to the first blue line. Again make a round to the next blue line. Very simple. One more time. I'm going to write over it. Standing line. From the red line, make a bumper T round to the first blue line. Go back. Bumper T to the second blue line. We have the mama bee. Okay. Similarly, we are going to write baby bee. From the red line, come down to the first blue line, go to the second blue line, go up again and come to the first blue line, make a round bumper T to the second blue line. One more time. Isn't it simple? From the red line, we come down to the first blue line, moving to the second blue line, go back again to the first blue line, make a round bumper T from the first blue line to the second blue line. There we have our mama bee and baby bee. So my dear children, we have finished writing mama A, mama B, baby B. Hope you can practice this more and more and learn how to write. See you in my next class where we continue with the writing of letters. Yes, with the help of patterns that we have already learned. Until then, be home, be safe, and do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel.